Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today we are going to unbox this. So this is the Pagani Utopia and this is by CCA. This is from their premium series. So there is one little change which I noticed in this particular box. So let me show you with the other one. So here is the Lamborghini's Rebel Toast box. You can see uh, the logo here, which is not on this one, but instead it has this Pagani's logo here. So on the side, it actually says something else in Chinese. I really don't understand what it is, but they switched it. I don't know. Maybe it came in a separate series. I think it looks like this is series 23 and this is series 24 if I'm not wrong. That's what it is supposed to mean. Okay. Let me. Yeah, this is the Aventadors box and this says S01. Maybe it's series 1 and out of which it's number 2, I guess. So I really need to do a little bit of research on this. Okay, so with that said, let me unbox this. And as you guys remember, a lot of people went nuts over this particular casting when Hot Wheels released it. They released it with that cream color. That's the very first color they released because that's how the original car also got released. They released it in that kind of a cream color. So these colors came later on. So I mean, for nearly a year, people were asking me to get them that particular casting. So I think I have only one, if I'm not wrong. I don't remember buying more than one. So whatever I bought after that, I mean, if I bought it, I gave it to the group at the time. So the moment I saw this particular iteration by CCA, I wanted to have it because again, I so far I am having very good experience with CCA. So let me see whether that continues throughout my journey with CCA Premium. Okay, let me put this aside. Here is the casting itself. Okay, so you guys need to understand how beautiful this looks. Out of the box, this looks absolutely beautiful. So it has painted headlights and painted taillights here. You can see the Pagani and Utopia logo here. You can see the exhaust that is painted on top of it. It is embossed and painted on top of it. Absolutely nice. And it has a engine detailing here. And on top of that, you can see the carbon fiber piece here. I mean, the carbon fiber pattern in the original car that is carbon fiber, but they did it really nice. And even the interior on this one that is true to this particular car. Absolutely amazing. It has wiper detailing here. Wow, that is really nice. Even the rims on this one, this is what I was trying to look into. The rims are unique to the specific casting, and the wheels are actually uh, plastic. This is this is not rubber, and you can see this Horatio Pagani signature here. Okay, let me. Okay, so I think. So this is how the engine opens, if I'm not wrong. You can see the small engine clipping here, that belt, they use it to latch it on. They really nailed that small detailing as well. Kudos to CCA, honestly. Okay, let's see if this is full metal. Oh yeah, that is full metal. This is a full metal casting, but it is not weighing that much as just like the actual car. And it has grill detailing to it. Man, I'm really happy, so happy right now because they crammed so much of detailing for this 400 rupees casting. See, think about it, they're selling for 400, so they might have gotten it for at least like 250 or 300 rupees only. So think about the manufacturing cost in this one, which means brands can actually able to do very detailed casting for this price, but they are not doing it because we are suckers, we are buying that. So that's the reason I stopped buying more, Hot Wheels most of the time nowadays. I'm not even searching it now. If anyone is actually giving it to me or telling me that this has come, you can come and see, then I'm going and seeing. I just bought four premiums for Climber series. I bought it because a lot of people are asking me to unbox Hot Wheels even in the second channel also. That's the only reason I bought it. Or else I would have just skipped that entire. Out of five, I bought four from the Thrill Climber series. So I missed out the Mercedes Benz. Okay, with that said, the casting looks absolutely gorgeous. Wow. So the detailing on this one looks really nice. More specifically, the two-tone color they went with this one. This is actually way better than that cream color they originally launched. So it has a little bit of paint chipping here. I don't know if it is. Yeah, a little bit of chipping, but again, this is not a common thing, so don't worry about it. Yours might not have this. So let's weigh this casting now. Okay, before that, let's see if it has suspension. Yeah, they cramped that suspension also for this casting, and still sits low. 33 grams, not bad. But it is a full metal casting. I don't know how they managed to do that. It is a full metal casting, but it's still, that is weightless, and the quality feels really nice. It doesn't even feel cheap, to be very honest. It does roll good compared to the other two which we did before. It does roll good. I mean, it does wheel wobbling on the rear wheel like a lot, but still it rolls well. Okay, let's rate this casting. I mean, you can see the detailing on this engine compartment here. I mean, the that plexiglass thing here. That also has a bit of detailing to it. I mean, it is really beautiful. Okay, let's rate this casting now. Again, 10 out of 10. Nothing to do, nothing else to nitpick here, talk about here. Solid 10 out of 10. If you are able to get this casting, please go ahead and get it. This is like a CCA is doing work of art now. So, so the car itself is a work of art, but they're doing that really well now in the miniature form. So that's it for today, guys. If you like my video, hit the thumbs up button. If you love my video, subscribe. And as always, thanks for watching this video. Have a great day. Goodbye.